Hey everyone, it's Robert from Bloomington Subaru, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your HVAC controls. Now, depending on your specific trim level, these buttons may look a little different. Today we're in a limited. I know for those of you with a base or maybe a premium model, your buttons will look a little bit different, but it's the same general controls. Now, over here on the left side, we can see if we twist this dial, that it will increase or decrease our temperature. We can also increase and decrease the fan speed using this button or this dial right here. Now on the right, we have the mode. So we can see that changes what we have it on. So our feet, we have the windshield defroster in our feet, our face. We can go through all of those. Now, down here on the right, we have our front windshield defroster. When we click these buttons in, you'll see that the lights turn orange. Down below it, we have our rear window and our side mirror defrosters, max AC, recirculating air, AC. We have a button for auto, and we can turn the whole system on and off just by pushing that button right there. Alrighty guys, we're sitting inside the base Impreza. So I told you that your heating and air controls may look a little different on the base and depending on which premium model you have. So as you can see right here, we have our different modes. So it's on our face, we can go face and feet. Our defroster is all the way to the right. So look for this little yellow dot here. To turn on your rear window defroster, you're gonna push this button in. So when you see that orange light, that means that it's on. The middle one is still for your fan speed. And on the right side, we have our air control. To use air conditioning for that nice cool air, just click that button in so it's orange. Well guys, I hope that helps, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.